Oh shit, that oxide will rip me to pieces too.
Careful, Burgle. There's about 4 or 5 mechs over there.
And you buy your lonesome. Gotta get that oxide there. Did I just laser you?
Drag. Yeah, you did.
Oh, what? I'm slowly pushing it.
Yeah, they're pushing in hard now. I'm gonna let actual assault mechs assault those dudes and
Yeah,
fuck
that's
off.
kinda where I'm at too.
Dude, this Griffin's shooting me. Okay, thanks, bro.
Yeah.
I put a good arty strike right into their group though, so there's.
I tried to arty strike too, and I realized that I forgot to keep focusing the AC fire.
All right, we got a blackjack over here, mostly alone. Delta.
Target acquired. You're getting lasered by man on the flip side. Oh, there's a lot of missiles. I think he's playing.
I got the blackjack.
What?
His XL was open.
How do you do
I'm gonna push in the antenna.
I'm gonna go through the cave. Maybe get this protector. Oh, I just went a weird long one.
Yeah, go for Kilo.
I'm going. Oh, there's someone in cave. Alpha is in cave.
Alpha now.
I'm getting him. He's dead. He was hiding in there because he was open. Bam!
Alright, I'm gonna head to C2 and head in behind them.
What'd you say? Sorry. I got real excited there.
Holy shit, it's a Thunderbolt!
Ooh!
Oh, and he has friends and they are fresh.
Yep. I'm just gonna capture some points, guys, because we need them.
Hotel is 49. It's a hunchback.
I'm going to Sigma.
Their hunchback is fucked up.
Yeah, it is. I'm really tempted to go over there and help.
He's still got people around covering him.
Might be able to pop a shot on him.
Too late, I got him.
Fuck, Wes! Why? Why you gotta be so good? That Thunderbolt's getting pretty weak in the back. In the butts. Lima is open.
Yeah, I'll shoot him in the butt.
Harley is also really open. Someone is on Gamma. That Thunderbolt is a weak right shoulder. And now into butts. And now into legs. Are you enjoying my play-by-play of...
Yes, you're great at it.
Okay.
Keep it up.
I just want to make sure that I'm not bothering the shit out of you. Because you're...
It's making this game better, honestly.
Okay, good. I'm glad I'm making it entertaining because...
I got a spider! Spider on me! Spider! Spider!
I'm not near you at all.
Come over to Theta.
I'm still at Sigma, trying to capture this. Very slowly.
This spider doesn't like me. Here, have some Banshee, spider.
Oh, look at that spider all weak in the shoulders and the legs. Well, leg. Shoot it in the crotch, you should get him. Crotch shot! Oh, I'm glad I'm making this game better for you, Wes. And I hope it's entertaining to all the people watching right now. The whopping, what, 6 people right now.
Oh, nice. Alright, now I'm feeling a little better.
Hells yeah, what? Look at that, Spurgle! You're like, oh, I've only been playing a month.
Swear flat.